Dear kids, today we learn two-letter words with the help of vowels. After learning the sound of each letter, we are going to learn about two-letter words. The sound together make sensible word. First, we take all vowels. Let us see how many vowels we have. A, E, I, O, U. Now a vowel make a word. A, N, At, S, H, E, M, E, W, E, V. Next is I. N, in, F, if, S, is, T, it. Next vowel is O. F, off, on, or, ox. Now last vowel U is us, up. Dear kids, if you understand it, so subscribe, share and like.